Hey there, tech lovers! Let's dive into something truly electrifying today. Meet the powerhouse soaring through the skies above India, the JF-5 UCAV Hail. Developed by the innovative minds at Jonet, this unmanned combat aerial vehicle is nothing short of a technological marvel. First off, this UCAV is driven by a turboprop engine. Imagine the power it packs. It's like having the strength of a locomotive, but in the air. And speaking of air, the JF-5 can ascend to a whopping height of 40,000 feet. That's like stacking about 120 Eiffel Towers on top of each other. Now, let's talk dimensions and weight because size does matter here. The JF-5 tips the scales at 5,600 kilograms. You heard that right, and spans a wingspan of 22 meters. That's not just big, that's colossal. But here's the kicker. It's not just a big bird up in the sky. This UCAV can lug around sensors and missiles weighing up to, you guessed it, 5,600 kilograms again. It's like this magic number for the JF-5. Talk about carrying your weight, right? The range? Oh, it's just a casual 8,500 kilometers. That means it could virtually travel from Delhi to London without breaking a sweat. Now that's what I call serious air miles. Designed for both eagle-eyed surveillance and precise time-sensitive strikes over land and sea, the JF-5 is the ultimate spy and warrior rolled into one. And don't worry about the weather report because this bird can fly in conditions from a chilling -30 to a scorching +55 degrees Celsius. Talk about being adaptable. So whether it's monitoring vast stretches of territory or delivering crucial payloads, the JF-5 UCAV Hail from Jonet is redefining air power for India. And how cool is that? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more tech wonders flying your way.